Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing fine. So, this reading is about whether your ex is going to contact you or not, or whether whomsoever you have in your mind, whether they are going to contact you or not. And we will also be checking what's happening in this Mercury retrograde. So, let's begin. It's going to be a collective reading, Sun, Moon, Rising for all signs. So, let's see what is this Mercury retrograde bringing for us. Divine timing, mask, communication, Merkaba activation, new doors opening, journey, twin flame, and we also have inner child fear, third party situation. Okay, so let's begin, and then in the end I will be seeing whether your partner is going to contact you or not. Starting with the first card itself, divine timing, don't force anything. Ye मैं recently, very recently, I made a video on my Instagram channel talking about that divine feminines do not have to do anything right now. Okay, don't make any effort, do not text, do not do anything, just be in your most observant energy. Focus on your journey, whatever you are doing right now in your life. And ये पूरा जो टाइमिंग है ना, it's all about divine timing right now. ये जो पूरा Mercury retrograde है, it is heavy on divine timing. Okay, बहुत लोगों के लिए डिवाइन टाइमिंग यहाँ पे आ रहा है. एंड डिवाइन टाइमिंग हियर इज़ नॉट जस्ट अबाउट रिकन्सिलिएशन, बिकॉज आई डू फील कि हो सकता है आपको जो चाहिए वो आपको मिल रहा है, एंड you might not want to sign up for that. Okay, you might change your decision. So बहुत मतलब I do feel that there's some kind of climax which is approaching you. Okay, approaching the collective. And I also have the card of Mars. So I do feel that you might have been dealing with someone जो अपनी feelings को जल्दी से नहीं बताते हैं. You know, this person is someone who acts, who is very happy and very flamboyancy kind of energy is there. बहुत मज़े करने वाले, बहुत confident दिखेंगे आपको, but अंदर ही अंदर this person is very sad. Okay, this person is really afraid to talk about their feelings. This person is really afraid to express their feelings, express their hurt, express their love, whatever it may be. This person cannot be easily just vulnerable with anyone, so they might just smile in front of you or in front of others, but this person is not doing fine. I do feel that there's a big block when it comes to their heart chakra, and now this person is also realizing that if they really want to lift this block away, like if they really want to lift this weight from their chest, then they will have to be vulnerable, then they will have to communicate with you. Okay, so for that, as this person realizes that communication is coming towards you, this person is going to ring you, there's going to be call, there's going to be messages, probably this person is even going to write a letter to you. For some it can be mail if you have blocked this person. So something is definitely happening, and things are coming into your court. Okay, this person may even express their feelings that I love you, please unblock me, take me back, and something like that. That is also happening. And कुछ लोगों के लिए ना मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपके जो person है, if you are in no contact or if someone is in your mind while I'm making this video, I do have a feeling that what this person may do is this person is doing some kind of a candle ritual or some kind of candle magic, या किसी से ये करवा रहे हैं so that you communicate with them. Okay, that is why another message for you is not to react, not to give any action. कोई action या कुछ भी बिल्कुल भी मत करो, क्योंकि कुछ हो सकता है कि आपके चाहे लड़का हो लड़की हो, whomsoever it may be, but this person might be doing some kind of magic, or not black magic, it's a very manipulative kind of magic. Okay, they're doing some kind of candle healings and all of that just to bring you back, or just to have some kind of communication from you. And right now what you need the most is Merkaba meditation. Merkaba meditation is something that protects you on so many levels that you cannot even imagine. Okay, it can be a bit difficult to meditate when it comes to Merkaba meditation, but if you look on YouTube and stuff, you will find some guided meditation, some guided Merkaba meditations about the same. So you can do that. I would really suggest you to do that, so that all this magic and everything, it is not really affecting you. Some of you are really dealing with psychopaths. Another thing, a new door is definitely opening for you. Okay, you are about to enter this new door, you are about to enter a new journey into your life, but uske liye first you will have to be more protective about your energies. You have to create that protective auric layer around you, otherwise वो third party situation हमेशा रहेगी, either from your side or from the person's side. Always it is going to be there. Okay, so that new door is opening, and I also feel that this new door is completely unknown. You have no idea about this. Okay, अगर आपको लग रहा है ना आप कुछ hope कर रहे हो, आप कुछ expect कर रहे हो और वो चीज़ हो सकती है, it's not that. It is a completely new thing which is happening. It is going to be completely new. You are not at all aware about it. आपके सामने सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक अंधेरा है, एंड दिस अंधेरा, दिस डार्कनेस इज गोइंग टू टेक यू टुवर्ड्स लाइट, एंड यू हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट दिस लाइट इज, यू हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट दिस डार्कनेस इज. सेकंड, like I said, that you can expect some kind of travel, or you can also expect someone coming towards you, traveling towards you. This someone seems to be away from you. हो सकता है कि ये long distance में है, and this person is planning to reach out to you or to give you some kind of a surprise. Okay, I won't say whether this is a good energy or not, because it's you who is going to judge that. You will use your discernment to understand and judge whether this person is really good for you or not. But this person seems, for some, this person seems to be a person coming from your past. For very 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 few it is a new person, but I don't think it's a new person. ये जो मैं energy की बात कर रही हूँ, it's someone from your past. Okay, and this person is going to they might tell you that you are their twin flame and stuff like that. They have realized something and blah blah blah, or if there has been any kind of third party situation, they have removed the third party situation. So that third party situation तो actually में मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि remove होती हुई दिख रही है. शायद से completely third party situation remove हुई नहीं है, because this person seems to be tied down to two people. One is you and one is someone else. Okay, so that is definitely the case, and I wouldn't say that it is just career or something. It could be a person. Okay, it could be a legit person, but with this third party will very soon end. Okay, because some karma is about to happen. कुछ ऐसा कार्मिक सिचुएशन यहाँ पे होता हुआ दिख रहा है, कुछ ऐसा कार्मिक प्ले यहाँ पे होने वाला है, where you are going to get the justice, where you will receive that justice. and जब वो justice होगा, when the justice will be served to you, this third party situation that you see on the cards, it's going to be eliminated automatically. You won't have to do anything. मतलब ये बहुत naturally होगी. Okay, so you don't have to think about that. So अगर कुछ भी ऐसे fears आ रहे हैं, कुछ ऐसे issues आ रहे हैं, कुछ wounds आ रहे हैं, और if you are doubting yourself in this period of time or anything, you don't have to do that at all. Now let's see whether your ex is going to text you or not. Though I have already answered this, but let's see. यहाँ पे भी डिवाइन इंटरवेंशन का कार्ड आया है. फैमिली, दिस पर्सन इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू टेक्स्ट यू, बिकॉज इफ देयर वाज two things. पहली चीज़ तो ये that this person was trying out on other females or even males. This person was considering certain options, but उनकी रेस में like from their point of view, they had this whole buffet in front of them where they had different kind of options, and now they are realizing that you are the best option for them. You are the one with whom they can settle. You are the one with whom they want to have a family. So this is one thing which this person is realizing, and this person is coming towards you. Let's see. You don't have to hold yourself back. Okay, even if you want to go to this person, you can just be in your complete blissful mode. Okay, whatever gives you happiness, don't be in that doubt कि ये चीज़ करनी चाहिए या नहीं, ये चीज़ सही रहेगी या नहीं, nothing at all. And I do have a feeling that there's some secret admirer who is looking at you, who is probably stalking you also. You have no idea about this person. Okay, this could be probably someone who is unknown and they have eyes on you. They have some kind of like, you are their target, that is for sure. And yeah, so that is there. Let me see if there's any other message that I'm missing. कुछ लोगों के लिए ना मुझे ऐसा भी लग रहा है कि अगर आपको कभी भी competitive फील होता था, if you ever felt that you know you had to be in some kind of a competition or something, that time is eliminating from your life. Okay, you are not going to be the other woman, you are not going to be someone who is going to doubt yourself, because there's someone who is going to come into your life, who is going to help you to release all these fears. You will develop romantic feelings for this person. Okay, you will be in your most happy and blissful mode, and this person is going to give you that security rather than making you feel less about yourself, or rather than making you putting you in a spot where you have self-esteem issues, or where you are comparing yourself with other women. Nothing of that sort is going to happen. So that was it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.